if you've ever shown a client an AI video or UGC video, or they saw your content and they were like, oh, that's nice or cool, but never any fire, these Nano Banana Pro prompts fix that. Now, let's be clear. These aren't just those silly little aesthetic prompts. These are client-ready prompts, or prompts that you can just easily post on your content page to get more inbounds. I use AI every single week to create content, ads, and commercial style visuals for real businesses. And what I've noticed, AI isn't the problem. The prompt is. Listen, you could have the best AI tool in the world, but if the prompt doesn't control movement, framing, realism, and intent, the output just feels flat. And flat doesn't convert. Flat gets ignored. So in this video, I am walking you through 7 prompts that I actually use for client work. I'll explain what each prompt does, the problem it solves, and when to use it. Now, screenshot them, use them, and get paid for them. Let's get started with the first one, because this fixes the biggest mistake I see in AI visuals.
All right, prompt number 1. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a tiny world inside a coffee mug, like a whole miniature creator studio, but make it cinematic. And this is why it matters. Everybody's content looks the same right now. Same desk, same ring light, same generic setup. This gives you a signature visual people remember. Now look at the result. This is wild. You've got internal reflections, micro shadows, warm, cozy lighting, and the creator has movement cues. Little head tilt, mouth moving, subtle hand action. This is the kind of image people actually remember. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the container, swap the workspace, swap the sign text. Same structure, your brand. Okay, prompt number 2. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a Sephora level macro product shot, the kind that makes your UGC look like a paid campaign. Because real talk, beauty UGC can look cheap fast. Not because you're not talented, because it's missing texture. It's missing droplets. It's missing commercial lighting. Now look at this. Crisp water droplets on the glass. Clean highlights that look intentional. And that soft focus bathroom with marble texture, that's the expensive part. If it looks like a brand ad still, you nailed it. That's what brands pay for. Here's how you actually use this. Open your review video with this shot, then cut to your routine, then cut to your opinion. It instantly makes you look like an official brand partner. And FYI, I included a video example of how you can step up your UGC game using a macro lens style, close up like this.
I love how fresh and natural the Lumina Botanics formula is. It's perfect for keeping my skin hydrated and glowing.
Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Change the product type, change the background setting, change the ingredient detail, same premium effect. All right, now prompt number 3. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a full 3x3 AI character sheet with consistent facial geometry across every panel. Because if your AI influencer changes faces every time, you don't have an influencer. You have a rotating cast, and nobody's trusting that with their money. Now look at the sheet. Same face, same proportions, same identity, and the panels actually cover what you need. Front, profile, 45-degree angle, macro detail, full body, streetwear, professional, emotion, walking, back view. If one panel looks off, regenerate. But when it hits, this becomes your reference sheet for everything. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the character description, swap the outfits, swap the vibe, keep the structure. Okay, prompt number 4. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a professional digital product mockup, laptop, tablet, phone, styled like a real brand photo shoot. And if you sell digital products, you need this because screenshots don't sell. Presentation sells every time. Now look at the clarity. The product is readable on every screen, not tiny, not blurry, and the workspace styling makes it feel intentional. Clean lifestyle. Brand ready. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the product type, swap the device style, swap the desk accessories, same worth buying look. All right, prompt number 5. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a Pinterest perfect flat lay styled, cohesive editorial. Flat lays work because they make products feel aspirational, even if your real life is chaos. Now check the palette. Everything matches the same vibe. The accessories support the hero item, and the shadows are soft, That's the difference between cute and catalog. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the hero item, swap the accessories, swap the color palette. Keep the structure. Prompt number 6. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a ghost mannequin merch shot, like your hoodie is being worn by an invisible model. This solves a huge problem. You want to sell merch, but you don't have a model or a studio. Now look at the fabric texture. You can see the weave, it looks tactile, and the lighting is high fashion, sharp shadows, studio clean. If it looks like a premium Shopify listing, you're good. Haunted, but profitable. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the clothing item, swap the color. Swap the background tone. Same high-end result. All right, last one. This one's powerful. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a transformation visual for coaches. It makes the invisible visible because transformation is real. But it's hard to sell if people don't get it fast. Now look at how instantly this lands. Half human speaking, half ink line art. The notebook steps make the story obvious. Fear, setup, action, results, success, identity. This is what people mean when they say, show, don't tell. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the medium, notebook, whiteboard, journal, sticky notes. Swap the steps, make them match your method. Keep the effect. Okay, bonus prompt. This one's a scroll stopper. What happens if you use this prompt? Nano Banana Pro creates a scroll stopping illusion ad, the kind that makes people stare because their brain can't decide if it's real. Now look at the effect. The reflections on the phone edge make it believable. The depth feels real. And the liquid crossing into the phone screen, that's the hook. Now screenshot the prompt template to make it your own. Swap the product, swap the liquid, swap the setting, same illusion, different niche, and it's addicting.
These are the exact 7 prompts that I use whenever I want a client to say, wow. So I hope that you screenshot those and you use them and you go make money with them and come back and let me know how that works out. And if you want a part 2 of this video with 7 more prompts focused on passive income, monetization, and content creation, comment part 2 below. And hit like if this has helped you and make sure you subscribe for more AI creator tools. And you already know, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's grow.